In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Calendly. Whether you're looking to enhance your personal branding or give your profile a professional touch, adding a logo to your Calendly account is a simple yet effective way to make your page stand out. Calendly is an excellent scheduling tool that helps you streamline your meetings, and customizing it with your logo ensures your brand is front and center every time someone books time with you. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Calendly account and log in. This is the first and most important step because being logged in ensures that you're in the right environment to make changes to your profile. If you don't yet have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your homepage there. Next to your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that menu. Then select the option labeled Profile. This will take you directly to the section where you can access and customize your account settings. Now that you're in the Profile section, locate the Branding tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to personalizing the appearance of your Calendly page. Head over to the Branding tab and click on it. By doing this, you're entering the section that allows you to upload your company logo or any image you'd like to use to represent your brand. Next up, you'll see an option that says Upload Image. Click on the Upload Image button. This is the step where you get to add your logo or an image of your choice to your profile. When you click on it, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through the files saved on your device. From here, select the image you want to upload. Make sure the logo or image you'd like to use is already saved on your device beforehand so that this step goes smoothly. Now, depending on your device, you can either double-click the image file or select it and then click the Open button to upload it. Both options will work, so choose whichever method feels easiest for you. Once the image uploads, take a moment to review how it looks on your profile. This is your chance to make sure the logo or image appears as you want it to. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always make adjustments or try uploading a different file. When you're happy with how the image looks, click the Apply button. Clicking Apply ensures that the image is placed correctly and confirms your selection before moving forward. It's a small but important step to make sure everything is set just the way you like. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This step is absolutely essential because it locks in your updates. Without saving, any changes you've made, including the uploaded image, won't be finalized. And now for the last step, verify that the logo or image is visible on your Calendly profile. Open your profile page to double-check that everything looks just as you envisioned. If at any point you want to update or change the image, you can always repeat this process. It's a great idea to refresh your branding periodically to keep everything aligned with your current look and feel. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a logo to your Calendly account, giving your profile a polished, professional appearance. If you ever have questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.